If you want to trim a video on your iPhone, you don't need any special apps to do it. Whether you recorded a video that's a little too long or you just want to remove unwanted parts from the beginning or end, your iPhone has a built-in feature that lets you do this easily. So let's get started. First, open the Photos app and find the video you want to trim. Tap on the video to open it. Then tap the Edit button. Now you'll see the video timeline at the bottom of the screen. You'll notice a handle on both sides of the timeline. You can drag the left handle to choose where you want the video to start. Then drag the right handle to choose where you want the video to end. This allows you to remove any unwanted footage from the beginning or the end of the video. Once you've adjusted the handles, tap the play button to preview the trimmed video and make sure everything looks the way you want. If you're happy with the result, tap Done in the top right corner. You'll now see options to save your changes. Choose Save Video if you want to replace the original video with the trimmed version. Or choose Save Video as New Clip if you want to keep the original video and create a separate trimmed version. I recommend choosing Save Video as New Clip if you want to keep your original footage safe. Just remember, the Photos app's built-in trim tool only lets you remove footage from the beginning or the end of a video. If you want to remove a specific section from the middle of a video, you'll need to use a video editing app such as iMovie or another editor on your iPhone. And that's how you can quickly trim a video on your iPhone without installing any extra apps. I hope this video helped. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed to the channel and turned on the notification bell for more helpful videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.